Mastering delegation boosts team productivity effortlessly. Did you know that over 70% of projects fail due to poor delegation? This staggering statistic highlights a common yet critical pitfall in project management. Without effective delegation, even the most promising projects can derail, leading to wasted resources, frustrated teams, and unmet objectives. Mastering delegation is essential for project success. Delegation in project management involves assigning tasks and responsibilities to team members, ensuring that work is distributed effectively. It's about entrusting others with tasks, empowering them to contribute meaningfully to the project's goals. Proper delegation ensures that the right tasks are handled by the right people at the right time. Effective delegation is vital for successful project management. It enables leaders to focus on strategic decision-making while empowering team members to take ownership of their work. By distributing tasks thoughtfully, project managers can enhance productivity, foster innovation, and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Delegation offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency and team empowerment. By sharing responsibilities, project managers can leverage their team's diverse skills and expertise, leading to improved outcomes. Delegation also boosts morale as team members feel trusted and valued, ultimately fostering a more motivated and high-performing team environment. Many misconceptions surround delegation. Some believe it means relinquishing control or that it leads to poor quality work. In reality, effective delegation involves maintaining oversight and ensuring accountability. It's not about offloading work but about strategically assigning tasks to maximize team strengths and drive project success. Identifying tasks suitable for delegation involves assessing the workload and determining which responsibilities can be effectively handled by others. Focus on tasks that align with team members' skills and potential for growth. Routine, time-consuming duties, and specialized tasks that require specific expertise are prime candidates for delegation. Choosing the right person for a task is crucial. Consider the individual's skills, experience, and current workload. Assign tasks to those who can benefit from the learning opportunity or who have demonstrated proficiency in similar projects. This ensures the task is completed efficiently while fostering professional development. Clear communication is essential in delegation. Provide detailed instructions and ensure the team member understands the task's purpose and desired outcome. Open channels for questions and clarifications to prevent misunderstandings. Effective communication sets a solid foundation for successful task execution and minimizes potential errors. Setting expectations involves outlining what success looks like for the delegated task. Clearly define the goals, deadlines, and any specific requirements. Realistic expectations help avoid unnecessary pressure and frustration, ensuring that team members are motivated and capable of delivering quality work within the established timeframe. Providing necessary resources is vital for empowering team members to succeed. Ensure they have access to tools, information, and support needed to complete the task. Being resourceful and responsive to their needs not only facilitates efficiency but also builds confidence and trust within the team. Effectively monitoring progress requires finding the balance between oversight and autonomy. Regular check-ins and updates are essential to ensure tasks are on track without micromanaging. Utilize status meetings or digital project management tools to get updates, fostering an environment of accountability while allowing team members the freedom to work independently. Constructive feedback is vital for growth and improvement. Provide timely, specific, and actionable feedback to help team members understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Positive reinforcement encourages continued success, while constructive criticism, delivered respectfully, can inspire growth and enhance performance, ultimately benefiting the entire project. Encouraging initiative empowers team members to take ownership of their tasks. By fostering a culture where team members feel confident to suggest improvements and make decisions, you not only enhance their engagement but also drive innovation. Empowered teams are more likely to meet project goals with creativity and enthusiasm. There are numerous tools available to streamline delegation processes, enhancing efficiency and communication. Project management software like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com helps organize tasks and deadlines, while communication platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams facilitate seamless interaction. These tools ensure everyone stays informed and aligned, making delegation more effective and transparent. A successful delegation story involves a project manager at a tech startup who empowered her team by delegating critical tasks based on individual strengths. By trusting her team and maintaining open communication, she achieved project goals ahead of schedule, boosting team morale and setting a new standard for future projects. Over-delegating can lead to losing control over a project. Managers must maintain a balance, ensuring they remain informed and involved. Delegation should empower the team without entirely removing the manager from the process. It's crucial to delegate wisely, keeping key decisions and strategic oversight within the leadership's realm. While delegating, leaders must ensure they maintain their authority and presence. Effective leadership involves guiding the team while allowing them autonomy in execution. This balance ensures that the team feels supported yet empowered to make decisions, fostering a collaborative environment where leadership and delegation go hand in hand. In remote teams, clear communication becomes even more critical for effective delegation. Utilizing digital tools to assign tasks and track progress can help maintain clarity. Regular virtual check-ins ensure that remote team members feel connected and supported, enabling them to work independently yet collaboratively towards project goals. Delegation fosters trust within a team by showing confidence in team members' abilities. When managers delegate tasks, it signals belief in the team's skills and judgment, building mutual respect. This trust not only enhances team dynamics but also encourages a more open and communicative work environment. Recognizing team efforts is essential for maintaining motivation and morale. Acknowledging accomplishments and hard work reinforces the value of each team member's contribution. Celebrating successes, both big and small, fosters a positive atmosphere and encourages continued dedication and enthusiasm within the team. Managers often fear delegation due to concerns about losing control or the quality of work. Overcoming this fear requires trust and a shift in mindset. Embracing delegation as a tool for growth and efficiency can alleviate anxiety, enabling managers to focus on strategic tasks while empowering their team. Effective delegation enhances time management by allowing managers to focus on high-priority tasks. By distributing responsibilities, team members can address specific tasks, leading to increased productivity. This strategic allocation of duties maximizes efficiency, ensuring that projects progress smoothly and deadlines are met, ultimately freeing up valuable time for leadership activities. Training programs and resources can significantly improve delegation skills. Workshops, online courses, and mentorship opportunities provide managers with the knowledge and confidence to delegate effectively. These resources offer strategies for identifying tasks, communicating expectations, and providing feedback, equipping leaders to delegate with precision and build stronger, more efficient teams. Cultural differences can impact delegation, as various cultures have distinct approaches to authority and teamwork. Understanding these nuances is crucial for effective delegation, ensuring that communication and expectations align with cultural norms. Sensitivity to cultural diversity fosters a collaborative environment, enhancing team cohesion and optimizing the delegation process for global teams. In agile projects, delegation is integral to maintaining flexibility and adaptability. Agile methodologies emphasize collaboration and iterative progress, making delegation essential for distributing tasks efficiently. By empowering team members to take ownership, agile projects benefit from rapid problem-solving and innovation, ensuring that goals are met in a dynamic environment. Delegation pitfalls often arise from unclear instructions, leading to confusion and errors. Managers may also underestimate task complexity or overestimate team members' abilities, resulting in poor outcomes. Lack of follow-up can cause projects to veer off course, while micromanaging stifles creativity and initiative, hindering productivity and morale. Confusing delegation with abdication can lead to chaos. Delegation involves assigning tasks but retaining accountability, whereas abdication means relinquishing responsibility entirely. Leaders must ensure they provide guidance and support while allowing team members autonomy to execute tasks. This balance prevents projects from derailing due to lack of oversight or direction. Leadership style greatly influences delegation success. Authoritative leaders might struggle to let go of control, while participative leaders are more inclined to empower their teams. Effective leaders adapt their style to the situation, fostering an environment where team members feel trusted, capable, and motivated to take ownership. Delegation impacts team dynamics by redistributing responsibilities and fostering collaboration. When done effectively, it encourages communication, enhances trust, and strengthens relationships among team members. Conversely, poor delegation can breed resentment and disengagement, undermining the team's cohesion and overall performance, highlighting the need for careful task assignment and follow-up. In crisis situations, delegation strategies must be agile and responsive. Leaders should prioritize critical tasks, swiftly identify capable team members, and provide clear guidance and resources. Flexibility is key, as evolving circumstances may require rapid adjustments. Effective crisis delegation ensures continued progress while alleviating pressure on individuals, maintaining team resilience. Prioritizing tasks for delegation involves assessing each task's impact, urgency, and complexity. Focus on offloading tasks that are time-consuming but not critical to your role. By doing so, you free up your time for strategic planning, allowing team members to develop skills and contribute meaningfully to the project. Effective delegation can significantly enhance motivation. When team members are trusted with important tasks, they feel valued and empowered. This sense of ownership boosts morale and encourages a proactive attitude, resulting in higher productivity and a more cohesive team dynamic that thrives on mutual trust and collaboration. Adapting delegation strategies to match team maturity is essential for success. Newer teams may need more guidance and oversight, while experienced teams can handle greater autonomy. Tailoring your approach ensures that the delegation process aligns with the team's capabilities, fostering growth and improving overall performance. Delegation fosters innovation by allowing team members to bring fresh perspectives and creative solutions to the table. When individuals are trusted to spearhead tasks, they explore new methods and ideas, enhancing the team's problem-solving capacity and driving innovation across projects, ultimately leading to more dynamic and adaptable organizations. Learning from delegation failures is crucial for improvement. Analyze what went wrong, whether it's communication breakdowns or misaligned expectations, and use these insights to refine your approach. Embracing these lessons fosters a culture of continuous improvement, empowering teams to achieve better outcomes in future projects. Reflecting on delegation failures is vital for growth. Analyzing what went wrong allows teams to refine their approach, ensuring better outcomes next time. By understanding the root causes of past mistakes, leaders can implement changes that enhance clarity, communication, and accountability, transforming failures into valuable learning experiences. Ensuring accountability is a cornerstone of effective delegation. Clear roles and responsibilities must be established to maintain trust and transparency. Leaders should foster an environment where team members feel responsible for their tasks, reinforcing the importance of follow-through and promoting a culture of ownership and reliability. Small teams face unique delegation challenges, often with limited resources and overlapping roles. Effective delegation in such environments requires strategic task distribution and clear communication. Leaders must be adept at identifying individual strengths, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that each team member's workload is manageable and aligned with project goals. As we look to the future, delegation practices will evolve with technological advancements and changing work environments. Emerging trends include increased reliance on AI tools for task management and analytics, as well as a greater emphasis on remote collaboration. These shifts will redefine how teams approach and execute delegation strategies. Sharing personal experiences with delegation can be insightful for others. By discussing successes and challenges, individuals contribute valuable perspectives that foster collective learning and improvement. Engaging in dialogue about delegation practices encourages a community of growth, where shared stories inspire new ideas and solutions. Share, like, subscribe for more tips and inspiration.